Alright, Toosters and Two Bets. I'm back with Riding with Stitch, episode 4. Look what our ride is today. Look what our ride is today. What year the Chevelle? 70?
Oh, this is 70.
70 Chevelle. Y'all know he on the Folgers. 22s on the front, 24s on the back. Nice and clean. So they shipped it to my boy all the way from Tennessee to come get that tune on. Boy, my boy Round must know what he doing. Just some old work here. Boy, I stitched these up from years ago. So me and Round finna get a couple log files on it. What he got under the hood, Round? Show him what he got under the hood, Round.
ls3 situation.
Got that ls3. Nice and clean. Fans coming on? Okay. Yeah, nice and clean ls3. He ain't missing nothing. He ain't missing nothing. So we finna get in it, man. He finna do a couple pulls on the sucker. Y'all say, man, this thing won't get out its own damn way. I said, yeah. He said, have you ever seen a blue turtle? I said, no, I ain't never seen no blue turtle. He said, boy, I got one. Who was the blue Ninja Turtle? Did they have a blue Ninja Turtle? Donatello, Michelangelo? Was none of them? I don't know. They may not even have a blue Ninja Turtle. Well, let's get in this sucker, see what it do. See what it's missing. And we gonna talk shit and laugh. Alright, so my sources tell me that it was Leonardo. So we in Leonardo. Let's see what this old thing do. For this windshield. Mighty small, ain't it?
Low rider. That little breeze felt good just now, boy.
Boy, we need it. Well, y'all know we in South Carolina, so it's hot out here. Telling you. He did say he was, let's pull over here and look.
Yeah.
The gas smell is heavy.
Be that high as a kite. Moving that little park complex. That tree.
We finna check, make sure ain't no gas coming out of the sucker before we get going. Let's see here.
They leaking and going inside the cab.
So yeah, somebody got some funky hoses running up. We did find a burnt hose going to the fuel line, so it definitely need to be tightened up down that way and zip tied back at least.
Yep.
And look at here. This is resting on here.
Line, that's the steam port line.
That's the steam port, so
take it back and tighten all that stuff up.
Yeah, we gotta definitely do that there. But we have cooling everywhere.
You
any way we can pull it up on the, yeah, maybe we can tuck it back up in, yeah, tuck it up a little bit. There we go. There we go. It got a little wear on it, but we didn't do the installation. We just checking behind whoever did. All right. That's the way it go. Those are some of the things we try to pay attention to before driving. But we also know what to look for, what the temperature looking like.
207, which is good.
Temperature reading good. We can go out that way. Oh, you gonna go back around?
Yeah, we can go around.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
It's a little roundabout here.
To the road.
Oh, yeah.
Stop. Yeah, that bag go. I forgot.
Dig, and so we can get all the logs we can get. First shot.
We're gonna do a wide open throttle. That gas got to be shooting out of there.
Yeah, it's coming out there. Every time we get it, it's evaporating as soon as we get it.
Yeah, that gas leak. They got a gas leak right there.
There's a fire hazard right there. We can't play with that.
Yeah, that's where half his gas going.
Exactly right. That's why that fuel cutting be going right there.
But it roasted mugs to pulling on it.
Yeah, she pulling. She want to get a little squealy.
I tell you. It scared my boy a little bit.
Nah, don't do that. Hey, that means we can get some more out of here, so let's go for it. Go for
it. Yes, sir.
Good log.
All right, so that was that log. That was the first run. That was the first run. Did damn good though. Wildwoods on here. Very clean car. This is my guy Pee Wee out of Tennessee. Boy, Pee Wee, he built a nice one here. Boy, you got you something. He got a rim shot, man. Make sure y'all shout him out. He's been showing us love for years, so it was only right we returned the favor. Real good guy. So we finna go finna go ahead and tweak these fouls right quick. And that's about that on that, man. I'll be back in a minute.